Check this out from Charles Kraus' Conservative Reformation. This quote right here: "Our church is reformed as against all corruptions, Protestant as against the assertion of all false principles in Christian faith, life, and church government, evangelical as against all legalism and rationalism, against all restricted atonement and arbitrary limitation of God's love, and by historical necessity, created not by herself but by her enemies, she is Lutheran. Over against all perversions, mutilations, and misunderstandings of the word, under whatever name they may come, though that name be Reformed, Protestant, Evangelical, Catholic, or Christian, or by false assumption, Lutheran itself, we claim in a word, as the explanation of the being of the Lutheran Church and of her right to be, that Lutheranism is pure Christianity. The Lutheran faith is the true faith. It is true religion. Other groups and sects are religionisms because they are a perversion of the religion." Yeah, baby. Yeah.